Hi, I'm Mark, and I'm going to show you our website, Board and Ski BC by TMOS. Alright, this is the main page, and it's got a map and a short description of the website. And on the left-hand side, you can see an ad and a weather button. Use the different mountains that you can click on. Right now we've got 4 of them, but it can be extensible to as many as you like. On each mountain, there's a picture of the mountain and a description of all the neat things you can do there, different activities. There's also a map, and as well there's also a list of prices for each kind of person. On the left hand side again you can see that there's different ads. This time it's an Amazon ad, and there's a ski report as well that shows the runs that are open and the temperature and things like that. This is another one, see more. As you can see, it's pretty much more of the same. There's a picture on the left hand side as well as a description, the prices, and a map. As well, there's also information about each particular mountain you can take a look at. You can pick flights if you want to go and fly to a mountain and check it out. So you've got all the information you can put in there and get a different place. For example, okay, we're actually from Vancouver. That's not going to work. Let's go from Las Vegas. And we're going to Vancouver. So you can get a price, $245 Canadian to go to Vancouver from LA, which is kind of interesting. You can then find a place to stay. You just gotta pick your dates and figure out where you're gonna go, and tell you all the different places that you can stay at, all the prices. Alright, let's go. As you can see, there's different places, different prices, and so on and so forth. They have ratings and such. And if you click on them, you can get a better description of them. But that's not actually part of our site, so we won't get into that. You can also rent cars. You can pick your destination and where you want to pick up the car, where you want to drop it off, and things like that. We also have a bulletin board system. You can go and write reviews and read what other people have to say about their experiences, and check out all the really intelligent posts that we have. We also have a classified section that you can use to sell gear and tickets and different things like that. So you can choose the different categories, take a look at different things. You can also log on. Just put your name in, your password, all that sort of thing. And it is smart enough to know if you put in the wrong one. So put in the right password this time. You can also take a look at the different replies that people have written to you and write one back if you like, and figure out how you're going to sell whatever you're going to sell. It's like a Craigslist, except better. Now spell check. You can pick different categories and only get the classifieds for that part. You can also search for different titles or descriptions of products. Our site's, of course, bilingual. You can go to any of the pages and click on them in French, and they'll be there. Relatively decent translation by Google Translate, as none of us actually speak French. Here's another example of a mountain in French. As you can see, the flight booking is also bilingual, as with everything else on the site. All right, that's it.